This is Bob. Bob wants to buy an iPhone. So he's thinking, I'm going to buy an iPhone tomorrow. Here, we're talking about the future, and the decision of buying an iPhone was made in the past. The next day, just as planned, Bob goes to a phone store to buy an iPhone. But he finds out there is a 40% discount on Samsung. That's a big discount that Bob cannot miss. I'll take a Samsung. Did he decide to buy Samsung in the past or now? Just now. The future simple is used to express a decision made at the moment of speaking. Let's look at another example that shows the difference between the use of going to and will. As you can see, Sarah was going to cut the grass. She probably made that decision days or weeks ago, but Bob only decided to cut the grass after she told him about it. He made that decision at the moment of speaking. Also, remember that the short form of will is used in spoken English only. For example, if you want to write a story about Bob, you would write something like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson where we will learn about another use of the future simple will.